Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying it's a triangle security screw and selecting the exact triangular driver. This is crucial because mismatch strips the head. Once you have the matching bit, secure the device on a soft, stable mat and ground yourself to prevent static damage. Align the driver straight over the screw, no angle, and apply firm, steady downward pressure. Begin turning slowly counterclockwise. The combination of correct fit and steady pressure prevents cam out. If it resists, stop and reassess rather than forcing. If the screw won't budge, increase torque carefully. Switch to a longer-handled driver or attach a manual bit holder for leverage so you can feel resistance. If the screw is corroded, apply a small drop of penetrating oil around the head, wait 5 to 10 minutes, then try again. You can also press a rubber pad or layer of tape between bit and head to improve grip. Once you regain rotation, maintain steady force and keep the tool perfectly aligned to avoid stripping. When all else fails, use a purpose-built triangular extractor bit. These are designed to bite a stripped head without damaging surrounding material. If you must resort to a Dremel, cut a very shallow straight slot centered on the head only if the surrounding case permits. Then use a flat driver to remove the screw. Be cautious of sparks and nearby components. If extraction still fails, stop and consider professional repair. Troubleshooting tip: if slipping persists, reevaluate bit size and use consistent down.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.